Welcome to XamConnect.com training. My name is Lisa and today I'm going to show you how you can post your projects on XamConnect.com. In our last training session, I showed you how to log in. So what I'm going to do now is using the login details that we used in our login training session. I'm going to log in and I'm going to post a project. So first of all, I'll take the cursor to the top right-hand corner and click on Post New. This has brought up our login details. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to log in our person, Roger Z, and then I'm going to use the password that we set up for Roger, and then click the sign in button. Ordinarily, I might click on keep me logged in just to make it easier for future logins, but this time I'm just going to click on sign in. Great. So now we have Roger logged in, and this means that we can now post our new role. So I'm going to come to the top right-hand corner and then click Post New. Okay, so this has brought up our project main information page, and I'm going to put some information on our project. So for the project title, I'm going to put HR Administration Support. In the description, I'm going to write a brief description. I am looking for a HR administrator to provide administration support for some staff induction training that I am developing. This would suit someone with very strong administration skills who has a HR degree. Okay, I'm just going to quickly fix this typo. Great. Now I'm going to move down here into the categories section. So you can see we have a drop down of categories. The first one is admin, PAs, managers, finance. I think that's our best category, but I'll just quickly check the others. Okay, that looks like our best category. So I'm going to tick that button and then I'm going to scroll down on the screen. Now in the tag section, this will help your project come up on internet searches. So I'm going to type some tags that I think are going to be useful for attracting the right people. So I'm going to put HR administration support person. Then I might just put HR support, HR administrator. So you can just put anything in there that you think is going to be helpful. Then I'm going to scroll down and there's a list of optional skills. I can tick any or all of these or none of these. So in this case, I'll just click all of them because I think they're all relevant. And then once I've done that, I'll scroll down. Now the project budget. So I'm going to call this a medium-sized budget. I'm going to come down and then in the project ending date, I'm going to select a date. So I think what I'll do is I'll put the 28th of June. And this is the date when the project will expire. So this gives lots of time for people to apply. If you need someone urgently, then you can put a shorter time frame on that and it's completely up to you. Okay, so for location, I will say United States of America. And I'm going to put New York for our location. If I had some images that I wanted to attach, I would just click on these buttons and that would attach images, and it can make the role a little bit more exciting, but in this case I'm not going to attach any images. And now what I'll do is I'll click on the next step button. Okay, this gives me some options. So it's brought up human resources, and then I'll just type in here administrative skills. Now I have an option down here, feature project. So if I want this project to be featured, I click this button. And then another option down here is sealed bidding. By clicking this checkbox, you hide project bids. In this case, I will click that, but that's optional. So I'm saying I don't want people to see the bid amounts. Then I'm going to click on next step. Okay, so what this has done is it's brought up our project description so that we can check it. So we've got a medium project, no bids placed as yet, location, United States of America, the category is admin PA manager finance, and then it's got our expiry date. It's telling us that there's no proposals as yet, which we would not expect. And once we've checked that that's all okay, we click the next step button. Okay, so this is telling us that the project has been posted and it's not live yet because admin needs to approve it. So I'm just going to click on finalize project posting. Now what this means is it's now been, an email has been sent through to the administrator, and the administrator will now look at your project and hopefully she will accept it. So thank you for joining me today at XamConnect.com training.